Hello pre-calculus students. I'm going to talk about angle measures. And this has got two parts to it, so I'll probably get you 2 or 3 videos here. An angle is just a piece between two lines here. We can see angles with clocks, that's how we tell time. Origami figures. I was trying to help my Cub Scouts make paper airplanes today. Lots of angles there. You can look at house plans, you can look at roof, you can look at corner. I mean, we have angles everywhere. But when we talk about angles, well, we're going to give it a name, and we usually call it theta, which is just a circle with a line through it. So when I draw it, I just go right through. Okay, so just measure how far away from the horizontal it is, and that's our angle, theta. Well, you're used to a clock. Clock's hands start from the middle, go out to the edge, they move in clockwise direction. Well, when we're talking about angles, it looks like we're starting the same, although instead of starting at 12, we're going to start here at 3. But we don't move clockwise, we move counterclockwise when we measure our angles. The radius is what measures from the center to the outside. Okay, think of a pie. You can describe your pie in 2 ways. How much total pie did you get? Or what was the length of your pie crust? Kind of an odd way to describe it, but stick with me. Because when we talk about angles, well, we can measure them 2 ways. We can call them degrees and radians. In this first video, we'll talk about degrees, and the second one we'll get to radians, and probably the third one we'll get some examples. We'll see how much time I can squeeze in. Degrees come from the Babylonians, who just love the number 60. 60, and then it's square, 360. So 12, we have 12 hours on the clock. We have 60 minutes. Well, a circle has 360 degrees. And we even use this. If someone just spins in a complete circle, we say someone's, you just did a 360. Well, let's say we want to move this angle over 1/4 of a circle. That will give us 1/4 of 360 degrees, or 90 degrees. And so we use 90 and put this little symbol here for degree. Now, this is a really special angle, so we give it its own little picture right here, this little box in the corner, which stands for a 90-degree angle. If we just move around all the way around, that would be a 315-degree angle. Or if we drop down in clockwise direction, we say we went in the negative direction, negative 45. Same angle, different names. If we look at these 3 angles right here, we can see that this one is 1/8 of a circle, this is half of a circle, and this is all the way around to 5/6 of a circle.